jiu-jitsu, like the difference between sambo and jiu-jitsu a lot is about the connection you guys have with the legs for finish fast. And us, we work more the upper body, in my point of view, and expect the flow, and you look for something to submit on the top. You understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, yes.
Many variations, lateral chokes, more variations in this. I think so. So, I work for here. I call this the helicopter, you know, I do a lot. I have the both grips in the arm. I'm going to put inside, put both foot in your hips. I'm going to control both arms. 1, 2, open. Since I open here, I'm going to hip escape side, and I'm going to control this arm here. I'm going to create a distance between me and you with my foot in the hips, because you're going to try to come against me. Look, I cannot allow you to come against me. I keep my foot here. I cannot allow you to skip all the grip. So also the detail is, I cannot keep my leg like this, because if the foot to you to submit me.
Yeah.
I need to bring.
I must be stretched, yeah?
Stretch. So in this space here I'm gonna go inside him. Foot in, spin over. Switch grips middle way. I have the triangle here. Since I have the triangle here, I switch. Up. Other detail. Since I have the triangle to submit Coach Silva, it's quite complicated to get straight. I need to move my butt side a little bit. Now I have the triangle. So, one more time. 1, 2. I know you can survive better than this. I know you. Thank you very much. Go skip. Hey, 1, 2. Control. I have the hook here. I have the hole. I create a gap between me and him. And I have to control both arms. Since I go here, my hand and my foot, then I go inside his hole, gonna do the spinning one. Up, spin. But in the middle way here, I'm gonna switch the arm to opposite arm. It's really important in the middle way you switch the hand. So I have the choke, I have the hand. But to submit him in this situation, especially have a strong base, it's better if I get the other leg and look for the angle here, look.
And
increase the pressure. I cannot, a lot of people do this, instead increase the pressure here. Alright?
Now, we go back to the sambo,
yes,
more similar than MMA. In sambo, it's allowed to hit from that position, yeah? To do headbutt, to punch, and so on.
Yeah.
For that reason, I don't want to give him that posture. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep him close with me. Yeah. Control the wrist here. I must work tight. Because of the punch, I'm not gonna. He's not gonna allow me. Yeah. To roll like he did before, yeah. And what I'm gonna do, this wrist is gonna go straight, yeah, in my crouch, yeah, like a punch, yeah. And I need to be very, very sharp when I attack the triangle. So it's gonna be like that, whoop, and having it here. If his arm is in here, yeah, all I'm gonna do is, yeah, create this, yeah, one more time, yeah. He has posture, yeah. My calves are in the back of his head, yeah. What I need to do is to give him a bump, yeah, oh, yeah, a little bit, like half roll, and from here, from this position, not like that, lying on the sun, yeah, like that, the hands take the control, yeah.
Push it in your core.
Yeah. So, has posture, yeah, 1, 2, hop. Has no posture, yeah. I'm staying with him, yeah. I don't want to give him distance, yeah, because he's gonna hit me, yeah. He can try from there, yeah. I have control in here. What I'm gonna do, push the wrist, yeah, in a big way in here. This leg goes out. I need this amplitude movement, yeah. And now my foot is gonna be like a slap on his cheek, like that. Yes, hop, and I close quickly. If his hand is still in here, yeah, this bone in the back of.
My back arm.
Yeah. In the back of his elbow, yeah, tight in here. And what I'm gonna do, don't forget it's a choke. Yeah, triangle is choking like whoop. And I have
submit.
More more variants, yeah? Here, oh, yeah? Up, and close, yeah? His elbow is in here, yeah? His defense is gonna start with, yeah, with pushing this elbow, hold, yeah, yeah? What I'm gonna do, yeah, it's to make this elbow to go away, to increase the pressure in there. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, straight pass the elbow in there, yeah, and come back here. I come back in the back of his elbow, yeah, in here, and yes, yeah, or from here, yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing, yes. So the principles are the same. The difference it's in the way you, yeah. I think about my rules, you know, from where come the danger in my game.
Yeah, yeah.
You think about yours.
Yeah, combat Sambo I think is the most close sport, close to MMA.
Yeah, in my opinion also.
No, me too, I think so. You know?